Look at this channel. They're pulling in tens of thousands of views every single day and making money from it. But what if I told you that the person behind them almost never shows their face? And what if I told you they're not spending 12 hours a day editing? They are leveraging a system powered by artificial intelligence to build a scalable digital media business. A lot of people call this YouTube automation. Many think it's a scam or a get-rich-quick fantasy. They're wrong. It's not a fantasy, it's a business model. And in the next few minutes, I'm giving you the complete blueprint for 2025. So stick around because I'm going to show you the 6 simple steps to building your own AI-powered content machine. So what is YouTube automation? Let's clear this up right now. It's not about pushing a button and having money magically appear. It is about building a system to create and publish content automatically with minimal direct involvement from you. Think of yourself not as a YouTuber but as a producer. The faceless part is the secret sauce. By removing yourself from the camera, you gain 3 huge advantages. 1. It's scalable. You can run channels in multiple niches at once. 2. It's sellable. The channel is a brand, not a person. It becomes a digital asset you can actually sell. 3. It's private. You can build an empire without ever giving up your anonymity. The AI is the engine that makes all this possible for a single person. It's your scriptwriter, your voiceover artist, and your video editor that is working for you 24/7. Alright, let's get to the blueprint. This is the exact 6-step workflow that successful automated channels use. We'll deep dive into each of these in future videos, but for now, you need to understand the assembly line. Step 1. Niche selection. This is the most important decision. You need to find a Goldilocks niche. High audience interest, high advertiser payouts, we call this high CPM, and perfect for AI-generated visuals. Think history, finance, or science explainers, not vlogging. Step 2. Viral topic research. We don't guess, we validate. The strategy is simple. Find what's already working and create a better version. I'll show you how to use tools to find video ideas with proven demand, legally modeling what top channels are already doing. Step 3. The AI scriptwriter. This is where the magic begins. Using tools like ChatGPT or Claude, we can generate a compelling, well-structured script in minutes, not hours. It's about feeding the AI the right prompts, and I'll share those with you. Step 4. The AI voiceover. Forget robotic voices. Modern AI voice tools like 11 Labs can clone your voice and create stunningly human-like narration. This one step saves you hundreds of dollars on voice actors and hours of recording. Step 5. The AI visuals. This is your content factory. We'll use tools like InVideo, Google VO3 that take your script and automatically create a video with stock footage and/or realistic cinematic video like the Bigfoot vlogs. For a more unique look, we can use AI image generators like Midjourney to create stunning original art for our scenes and use Google VO3 to animate it. Step 6. Optimization publishing, the final piece. Creating a clickable thumbnail with Canva, ChatGPT, Gemini AI, Grok, etc. and writing an SEO-optimized title and description. Then, we schedule the video and the system takes over. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. If it's that easy, why isn't everyone doing it? Here's the truth. Most people fail for 3 reasons. 1. They choose a bad niche. They pick something they're passionate about but that nobody is searching for. 2. They create low-quality content. They use the cheapest, most robotic AI tools, and YouTube's algorithm buries their content. Quality is non-negotiable. 3. They are inconsistent, which is the most vital and important one. They post 3 videos and give up. This is a business and it takes time to get traction and build a community. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a build a valuable asset over time plan. It requires upfront work to build the system, but once it's running, it can generate revenue for years. You now have the complete blueprint. You understand the model, the workflow, and the potential. The most critical step next is choosing a profitable niche. That is exactly what we are covering in the next video. I'm going to reveal 5 untapped niches with high CPMs that are perfect for AI right now. So if you're serious about building your own automated channel in this 2025, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You do not want to miss part 2. Leave a comment below with the word automate if you're ready to start building. Let's do this.